Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we are unboxing my first pair of shoes from 2021, and it is a one of one pair of Kobe's that I picked up a couple weeks ago, and I'm really excited about these, so let's check them out. Alright guys, so like I said, here we have a pair of one Kobe's. These ones are actually from like 2007, I want to say, 2006, 2007. You guys can see on the box that they are a Nike ID pair, which if you didn't know, back in that time, you could actually ID the Kobe 2s, which is what we have here. So let's unbox these guys. Picked these up, like I said, I think like 2 weeks ago now, and really haven't been able to check them out yet. So here we go. And, yeah. So check these guys out. These are awesome. These are a custom pair of the Kobe 2s, and you guys can see that they're in like this really clean white and varsity royal colorway with the black swoosh and the black outsole and a couple other details in black as well. But the Kobe 2 is something really cool to me, just because I think, when we think about Kobe's, most people think of, especially the Protros that are around now, we get the 1s, the 4s, the 5s, soon to be 6s, some of the more popular models, but the 2s and the 3s are both really cool, unique designs, and they were really like a cool part of the Kobe legacy when it comes to his Nike designs. And I really think these ones are slept on a lot when it comes to like the general population, and I really was happy to pick these up. I picked these up for $100 on eBay, which is crazy to think about, because everybody knows that all the Kobe stuff on eBay and anywhere else online, secondary market, is really expensive right now. And the fact that these are, come with the original box, they are in really good shape. There's a couple little creases and everything here you can see on this area, but this is a shoe that does crease really easily. And if you've had a Kobe 2 before, it's kind of something that just comes with the territory. So even if you do grab a pair, it's still going to have a crease if it's been worn very little time. So, I judged by the pictures the best I could. The seller provided really good pictures, and the outsoles look good. They don't look like there's any wear and tear. Another thing that I always look for on the Kobe 2 is the laces, and because there is this strap here on the medial side, a lot of times the laces get frayed because they get stuck in the Velcro. These ones look clean, so really I was really pretty eager to jump on these because I really couldn't pass them up for $100, and I thought that those are more than fair price to pay for them. Obviously, it's not the cheapest shoe in the world, but I think considering the price in the market for other Kobe shoes, this was definitely what I would consider a steal. So you guys can see, like I mentioned earlier, it's like this varsity blue. You can see the toe cap has that nice patent leather that is like what's known, like probably the most notable part of the Kobe 2. It also has the strap here, patent leather on the collar, and you can see here up close that it says Shoe MGK and black embroidery. Don't really know what that means. It's not really exactly what I would prefer the shoe to say, but I don't think it takes away too much because it is black and it's kind of hard to see on the strap there. So on the other side, you can see it's pretty simple. There's really not too many details. They kept it pretty clean with their customization. Matched a blue heel counter, and I don't know if that was like a separate piece, a separate part that you can customize, but the blue heel counter, and then the swoosh is in the black, blue laces, blue tongue, blue liner, blue tongue. So really simple, clean. The ones that a lot of people, when they customize things, they make them really personal to them. They make them maybe more colorful or something that they could get, they can't get when it comes to a GR. I like the fact that these ones are closer to a GR because they feel like they have more appeal to a wider audience, I would say. Like, not that there's anything wrong with people who customize more colorful, more expressive ID and custom shoes. That's exactly what that platform is available for you to do. But these ones, I think, just worked for me a little bit better because they didn't have a lot of crazy color blocking colors going on. So this is a really cool shoe to me. Like I said, it's the first shoe that I picked up in 2021, and I'm happy that it's a pair of Kobe's. Definitely want to try and find more of this kind of thing. This is like my niche that I really enjoy, this like mid 2000s Nike basketball and Jordan stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think about the Kobe 2 in the comments. I also want to make sure you guys are aware, if you haven't seen my videos before, to make sure you head over to Sneaker Deals of the Day, which is a website that I run. Basically, it is to help you guys find sneaker deals and be able to save and build your collections without having to spend a lot of money or all your money when it comes to some shoes now. So, just if you could head over to the Sneaker Deals of the Day, you guys might find a pair of shoes that you're interested in. There's a lot of discount coupons and sales that are going on there. All the links on that website are affiliate links, so which basically means I get a small commission for you guys going through and purchasing on that site. So if you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. I just want to give back to the community, and that's my way that I've created to be able to help. So if you guys wouldn't mind helping me in return, I definitely appreciate it. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think of the Kobe 2, if you're excited about these, or would you have picked these up for yourself if you had seen them before I grabbed them. Thanks again. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.